Let it dry and put another coat on it. What is up, everybody? Happy Saturday, or whatever day it is today. We are doing something to Project Daily, which is the Mini. And if you guys have been following, we're obviously building the motor and all this stuff, restoring it back to relatively perfect condition. But on today's very quick video, there's something I've always wanted to do to a block, and that is, you can start it. What? There's something I've always wanted to do to a block, and that is paint it. Basically, I kind of came to this consensus because I have not yet, I pulled the Miata motor at one point, and I was like, I'm gonna refresh it, and then my procrastination got to me, and I basically didn't wind up doing it, didn't do anything I wanted to do to it, shoved it back in and went racing. Cool. This is gonna be the first car that I've actually built and kind of did something for myself that I can daily drive and enjoy. So I decided, you know, I'm gonna paint the block. So I had Des just basically pick a random color. So we're gonna paint it today. Now, the nice thing about this block is I've already had it deep tanked, cleaned, all that stuff. I'm gonna spray it down with brake cleaner and stuff like that and get it prepped. But you're basically just gonna come along with me as I get the entire block prepped. We're gonna mask off every opening that doesn't need to have paint in it, any surface that's basically, you know, can't be exposed to paint. And then we're gonna paint it the same color as everything that I tend to own is yellow and blue. So we're gonna paint it this yellow here, and I got this off Amazon for about 60 bucks. It is a 2-part paint, so which means it has a etching ability, or like a 2-part, it's got a hardener basically. It has hardener. So the hardener will make this not only shiny, but it'll make it oil resistant, heat resistant, and just any type of chemical spillage that could happen on the block. This is designed for that. But the only problem is, once you bust this open and you mix the hardener and greenies up, you only have an hour or so to actually get this block painted, and before this hardens up and becomes completely useless. So let's get this block prepped. He's touching my head. All right, guys, so got the block completely taped off. I didn't film all of it, obviously, because it is very tedious, but I'm gonna kind of go over and show you everything that I did. So this is the head. Everything's blocked off, or taped off. Everything that I knew a bolt went into or had a flat surface, I actually taped off, because a lot of people miss this step. I know that nothing goes there. A lot of people miss this step, and if it's got like a machine surface, generally it means that bolt's got to stay on there. And if you don't, people just wind up putting their screw in there, and the paint will start kind of pulling away, or it starts, you know, backing the nut out, or it doesn't torque down properly. Just lots of little stuff. Or it might be a ground strap, and all of a sudden, you know, your car won't start because you can't figure out why. But I got everything masked off that needs to be masked off. This is going to be sitting downward on the floor, and nothing. This is all covered by the transmission, so I'm not too worried about that. But I will kind of give it a wipe down, and then we will start painting it this yellow and see exactly what color and we'll see exactly what color yellow this is. Oh, that's sketchy. Oh God. windy for this.
What an interesting yellow.
Right? It's brighter than I want it to be. Yeah, it's just like everywhere I go, the wind's. Let it dry and put another coat on it. It's definitely closer to this yellow. I was hoping it would be darker, but first coat, we'll see.
Yeah, maybe once it dries and add another coat to it.
Yeah. It's a bit highlighter-y for me.
Yeah.
Well, it is yellow. It's a lot more yellow than I thought it was going to be. I'm not going to lie, a little disappointed, but at the same time, I'm going to roll with it because it is what it is. And probably just slap a giant cat logo on the side of it because that's what color it looks like. But let it dry up and, you know, hey, it's painted. It's definitely unique. Well, there it is, guys. Way brighter than I thought. But you know what? It is what it is. And it's kind of hard to tell what you're going to get when you get stuff online and see people paint it. But it's going to be in the inside the engine bay, and inside it looks a little bit darker, so that'll be better than nothing. But it's coated, and it's something I've always wanted to do. And like I said, that was just kind of a little quick video of painting the engine block. And now we're going to get to basically putting everything together and getting it back inside the car. So it's going to be super exciting. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this content. And if you want to see more mini stuff, hit that like button, hit that bell notification, and don't forget to follow along. Also, don't forget, still have Miata. Haven't forgot. That is all. I will see you on the streets, I guess, and at the track. What? Yeah, mini stuff. Okay, bye.